This is a tutorial on how to add eyeshadow in Photoshop. First, let's drag our image into the Photoshop program. I am zooming in on the eyes here. We need to make a rough selection around the eyes. I'm going to use this lasso tool here to make the selection. It doesn't have to be super precise. A very rough selection would work fine. Remember to exclude the eyeballs from the selection. We don't want the makeup to appear inside the eyes. Same thing on the other eye. Make sure to hold the shift button to add into the previous selection. Alright, once done, go to the adjustment layer in the layers window and select color balance. In the properties window, you'll see these little sliders. You can play with them to make your desired color. I'm gonna go with any random color because I don't have any idea what colors girls do on their eyes. Let's go with red. Now go to masks and add some feathers from here. This will fix out the heart selection we made in the beginning and make it look more natural. See how nice that looks? Let's see some before and after. Let's just add one more color here because I've seen some girls with multiple colors on their shadows. I'm gonna make a selection once again, this time a little smaller than the previous one. Same thing on the other eye. Once again, go to adjustments and color balance. Let me add some yellow this time because it's a good contrast to the red. Go to the masks, add some feathers, and boom. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you add some eyeshadow in Photoshop. See you in the next one.